Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you Pak Sao from Wing Chun. Okay, so Pak Sao is like slapping, okay, slapping hands. So one, okay, and then two, and then three, and then four. This is your Pak Sao. So now let me show you the drill, how you're gonna practice with your partner. So the punch is coming, okay, one. So Pak Sao, don't bring your hand from outside like this, one and then two. So this is center line, one. Okay, so when your opponent hits, okay, so this is center line and stop the punch. Okay, now go two, that's it, three, four, five. So keep your hands here. Now one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So you can practice like this with your partners. Pak Sao, Pak Sao, Pak Sao, Pak Sao. Now in this you can add punches. Okay, now go one, Pak Sao, Pak Sao, Pak Sao. One, two, three, four, five. Pak Sao and punch. One, two, three, four. Pak Sao and punch. One, two, three, four. Pak Sao and punch. You can practice with your partner like this. Pak Sao is slapping, Pak Sao, Pak Sao, Pak Sao, and this is called straight blast drill, straight punch drill. So in straight punch drill, you can use your Pak Sao and punch, Pak Sao and punch. Thank you so much for watching.